Today we will make Swiss roll filled with buttercream and strawberry jam. First of all, we preheat our oven to 190 Celsius and we need a baking tray covered with parchment paper. No need to grease, no need to flour, just place it on the side. Then, for our ingredients, we need 3 whole eggs, 150 grams of superfine sugar, 150 grams of sifted all-purpose flour. We need 70 grams of unsalted butter and we need 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Put the sugar, whole eggs and vanilla in a clean and sterilized bowl. Whisk them together and place it over hot water bath. The water should not be boiling, it should be only hot because the steam of water is more hot than the boiling water. I already heated the water. This is the pan and fill it with 1 inch of hot water and place your bowl over the hot water bath and whisk all the ingredients until the sugar is dissolved. It takes about 3 to 5 minutes. I whisk them and I dissolve the sugar, then I come back to you. You should whisk it constantly. Now you can feel the batter is smooth and very light. Carefully remove it from hot water bath. This is our batter. Now you can use your stand mixer or hand mixer. I will use my hand mixer. Now I will mix it until I reach a ribbon stage. I reached the ribbon stage and the batter is slightly warm. I switch off the mixer. Now in 3 stages, I added the flour into the batter, carefully and slowly. When the flour is 3/4 folded, we add 2 tablespoons of this batter to the melted butter, and we whisk them and we add them again to the batter. When the flour is 3/4 folded in the batter, we add 2 tablespoons of this batter to the melted butter and we mix with butter and again we add to this batter. Now I will do it. and gently fold. Big stroke. The batter now is smooth. I will my baking tray and pour it into the tray. And spread it evenly. Try to keep the edges of the batter is a little thick than in the middle, so it will not burn in the oven. Now into the oven, 190 Celsius, for about 10 to 12 minutes. Tap it one time and into the oven. It's ready. You can see it's brown, and when you insert a stick inside it, it comes out clean. Leave it to cool for around 10 to 15 minutes. Meanwhile, prepare your buttercream and your strawberry jam. Under the video, I will write down the buttercream recipe. See you. Make sure that edges are easily can separate from the pan. Cover with sugar powder. Place parchment paper. Upside down your tray. Remove the parchment paper. I placed my buttercream in the piping bag because for me it's easier to work with a piping bag, but if you can work it while it's in the bowl, it's okay. Then I prepared 3 tablespoons of strawberry jam. I will write down the recipe for strawberry jam. Now we will start to fill our cake. As you see, all the time I'm preparing the buttercream and strawberry jam, my cake is covered with towel because I don't want the cake to dry out and make a problem while I am rolling it. I spread the buttercream and come back. This is end of my cake. I'm not going to spread the jam here because while I'm rolling, the excess of the jam and of the buttercream will come out from here. If your cake breaks in the beginning, it's okay. While you are rolling, it will not break. Just press a bit. This is and now easily you can push your cake to take the shape of the roll. Now place a towel. Make sure that the end of the edge of the cake is on the bottom. Now I refrigerate it for about 1 hour, then I will see it. we continue cutting the Swiss roll. I will write down all the explanation about it and the ingredients. If you like my channel, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you and goodbye.